Get ready to unlock the secrets of iOS 26 and transform your iPhone experience. While Apple's flashy upgrades grab the headlines, it's the hidden gems that truly revolutionize your daily interactions. These little adjustments and quality-of-life tweaks are like hidden treasures, waiting to be discovered and cherished. From saving precious seconds to personalizing your device, these features will make you wonder how you ever lived without them. So, let's dive into 18 of the best-kept secrets of iOS 26 that will enhance your iPhone journey. 1. Customize your snooze time, a personalized wake-up call. Say goodbye to the arbitrary 9-minute snooze option. iOS 26 lets you tailor your snooze duration to your liking. Simply navigate to the clock app, select an alarm, and adjust the snooze length to your heart's desire, anywhere from 1 to 15 minutes. It's a small change, but it can make a big difference in your morning routine. 2. Create your own ringtone, a unique tune. No more relying on GarageBand or a Mac. iOS 26 empowers you to create custom ringtones effortlessly. Simply tap an MP3 or M4A file under 30 seconds in Files, hit Share, and choose Use as Ringtone. Set it system-wide or assign it to specific contacts. The choice is yours. 3. Copy text with precision. A password-friendly feature, Messages now offer a handy selection tool, allowing you to copy just a snippet of a text bubble. No more copying the entire message when you need a password or code. Simply press and hold, select, and capture only the desired section. It's a game changer for those who value efficiency. 4. Visited Places, your personal travel journal. Apple Maps now keeps a private, local record of the places you visited. No more scrolling through photos or texts to jog your memory. Open Maps, navigate to Profile, Places Visited Places, and explore your travel history with dates and details. It's like having a personal travel journal at your fingertips. 5. Battery charge time estimates. Plan with precision. The lock screen now displays how long it will take your battery to reach 80% and 100%. No more guessing. Plan your quick top-offs before heading out with this simple yet powerful addition. You can also check this information in Settings, Battery. 6. Adaptive Power Mode, Smart Performance Management. A new option in Settings Battery introduces Adaptive Power Mode. It dynamically adjusts performance and background activity based on your usage. Stream music at home? It saves battery. Gaming or recording video? It boosts performance. No need to worry. Your iPhone adapts automatically, ensuring an optimal experience. 7. Turn photos into 3D spatial scenes, an immersive experience. Photos now offer a spatial scenes feature, transforming your photos into immersive, 3D-like views with subtle motion. Open a photo, toggle the spatial feature, and explore depth and perspectives by tilting and moving your iPhone. It's like reliving the moment even after the photo was taken. 8. Search screenshots with Visual Intelligence, a powerful tool. Visual Intelligence is now at your fingertips with iOS 26. As soon as you take a screenshot, tap the thumbnail to access the editor and discover 2 new buttons, Ask and Image Search. Paint a specific area to target your query, and iOS will provide contextual actions. Detection happens on device, but be mindful of sensitive screenshots when using these features. 9. Apple Music Lyric Translations. Enjoy music in any language. Apple Music now offers real-time lyric translations. Tap the Lyrics view, hit the Translate These Lyrics button, and enjoy the translated lyrics synchronized with the music. It's a perfect way to discover new genres and understand the meaning of songs in different languages. 10. Screen incoming calls, a polished feature. The phone app now supports live call screening. When an unknown number calls, tap Screen Call and read a real-time transcript of the caller's message. Decide whether to answer, decline, or let it go to voicemail. It's a feature that feels right at home on the iPhone, polished to perfection. 11. Take photos with AirPods, a handy trick. AirPods now act as a remote shutter button. With the camera app open, double-tap an AirPod to snap a photo. It's ideal for group shots or when your phone is mounted across the room, a handy trick for those who value convenience. 12. Add backgrounds to text messages, a creative touch. Personalize your text message threads with custom backgrounds. Open a chat, tap the name/title, choose backgrounds, and select a color, gradient, photo, or generate one with Image Playground. It's a creative way to add a unique vibe to your conversations. 13. Edit PDFs with Preview. A Mac-like experience, the Preview app, a macOS staple, is now integrated into iOS for PDFs. Open a PDF in Files or Mail, tap Markup, and enjoy highlighting text, adding notes, signing documents, or rearranging pages, all without a third-party app. 14. Swipe from the middle, a smoother navigation gesture. Apple introduces a new gesture for smoother navigation. Swipe right from the middle of the screen to go back, instead of only swiping from the left edge. It works in Safari, Settings, Mail, and other stock apps. Try it out and navigate with ease. 15. Check weather off-grid, satellite connectivity. iOS 26 brings satellite connectivity to the weather app. Check conditions even when you're off the grid, hiking in the mountains, or traveling through a dead zone. The app uses Apple's satellite system to provide basic forecasts and alerts. A small satellite icon at the top indicates its use. 16. Camera lens reminder, a gentle nudge. The camera app now reminds you to wipe the lens clean when it detects glare, haze, or smudges. A gentle on-screen alert before you take the shot ensures your photos are crystal clear. 17. HDR screenshots, a more accurate capture. Screenshots now capture in HDR on iOS 26, preserving the vivid highlights and contrast you see on the display. Open a bright photo, take a screenshot, and admire the accurate representation in your photos library. 18. Passport in Wallet, a digital revolution. Wallet will soon support digital passports in select regions. Add it like a driver's license and use it at supported airports and checkpoints. It's a clear sign that physical wallets may soon become a thing of the past. While iOS 26's biggest features shine brightly, it's these smaller touches that truly enhance your iPhone experience. From smarter alarms to immersive photos, these updates are a testament to Apple's commitment to making your daily interactions smoother and more personal. So, why wait? Install iOS 26 and unlock these hidden treasures today.